Girls, we are going to read this nonfiction story together called All About Bats. When a story is considered nonfiction, that means that it has facts in it. It's true. It could be about an animal, it could be about a place, it could even be about people, but what it means is that it could actually happen in real life. And so in this particular nonfiction book, we're going to learn about bats. It's called All About Bats, and the author is Natalie Lynn. So you can see the title of the story, All About Bats, on the front cover of our book, and it's written by the author, Natalie Lynn. Remember, the author is who writes the words. Typically in a nonfiction story, the pictures are real photographs of what you're learning about. So we're going to see real pictures of bats. Do you have webbed wings? Do you hang upside down? Are you asleep during the day and awake at night? Then you might be a bat. Look at these cool pictures of the bats. Take a closer look. Bats have large ears to help them catch the sound waves from echolocation. Bats' fingers are actually a part of their wings. They are webbed in between to allow them to fly. Their thumb is at the top of the wing. Bats can be many different sizes. The largest species of bat can be 6 feet long. The smallest species is almost an inch long. Look at this teeny tiny bat here on someone's finger. What do bats eat? Most bats eat insects or fruit. Very few bats drink blood, despite what you might see in the movies. Bats use echolocation, which is when they make a high-pitched noise that creates sound waves that echo off an object and help the bat to create a picture in its brain. They can see an object without using their eyes. This is how they find their prey in the dark. Here's a bat eating fruit. Bat families. Some bats live alone, but most live in colonies for protection. They will roost together in caves, trees, and sometimes even houses. Bats are mammals, which means they give birth to live babies. A baby bat is called a pup. Mothers take care of their pups and carry them until they teach them how to fly. So here's a picture of a bat colony in a tree. Bats are helpful. Bats eat annoying or harmful insects. They help pollinate plants. Bats help spread seeds to grow new plants. Thank you, bats. These are the parts of a bat: the fingers, their thumb, ears, wings, noses, fur, and their tail. What is a bat? Bats are mammals. They have webbed wings that allow them to fly. Bats are the only mammal that are able to truly fly. There are over 1,200 different species of bats in the world. Bats can also be found in almost every part of the world, just not in the extremely cold regions. Why do bats hang upside down? Because of the way bats' legs are built, their muscles are more relaxed if they hang upside down. This also makes it easier to fly. They can just let go, fall, and start flying. I'm just hanging out. All right, here are some vocabulary words that we used in our story. So this is a colony, a large group of bats that live together. This is a roost, a shelter where a bat rests, such as a cat, a cave, or a tree. Nocturnal, that's an animal that is awake at night and sleep during the day. And this is echolocation, locating objects by bouncing sounds off of them. I hope you enjoyed our nonfiction story, All About Bats by Natalie Lynn.